Steve here, NRC. Today's a bad day outside today. It's raining like crazy. I'm in the garage and I have my fishing kayak here. So I'm thinking to myself, this would be a cool little course for the SCX24. And let's see, I would have to go down here, around that, up, over the pliers, around, through that, and then up again. Well, let's see if we could do it. It's gonna be hard coming back. Up that. Around the fishing pliers. I'm gonna have to back up here. Back up again. The boat's not too wide, so. Alright. Oh. You can see the course, what it looks like inside the kayak. Now here's gonna be hard. Right here. These are flat. So let's see if we could get over this. Whoa. Little SCX24 beauty. Look at it flex. Now this is going to be the hard part. I think I have to get back on the top here. Right up this. Yep. Oh, look at the flex. Oh. Bugger. Oh yeah. King of the kayak. Right there. King of the kayak course. Axial SCX24, little beauty. Let's try that again. We'll go reverse this time. Oh! Too much for the little guy. It's hard to get over that point on the kayak. There we go. We gotta hit this first kayak foot helper holder. You can make these fun little courses anywhere. That's what's fun about these trucks here, the 1/24th scale. Look at it go. Flexing like crazy. Up this. Around. Over the fishing pliers, shining at my car's fender, down this hill, let's see what this looks like from the front angle. Up This is the tricky part. I'm sandwiched. Oh, there she goes. Steep incline. There she goes. I put the WD-40 on the tires. That's what made it grip so good to get up this steep incline here. Well guys, if you liked the little video of this SCX24, please leave me a thumbs up. Appreciate it guys, as always. And I'll see you next time. Fun driving these little suckers in the house when there's nothing to do. See you later guys.